Hey friends, it's Amber and Jerry from Amber Marine Company with our guest here, Rebecca. And we are showing you today this gorgeous, beautiful acrylic angel that is hitting the warehouse floor right now. We are having a whole container of these gorgeous, beautiful ladies made just for you. And we want to tell you the whole story about how this glorious angel came to be. Mom?
Well, it's the most beautiful angel in the world, first of all. And Rebecca, who we just absolutely love, and we've been working with her for 3 years now, and every year she's always said, I wish you could make that angel. I wish you could find that angel. And we're going and looking everywhere, and we're thinking, we think we know how to get this done. Give us some time. And so we worked really hard, and here she is. She's so gorgeous.
She's so pretty. So tell us how you use this in your home, Rebecca. We want to hear all about it.
I've owned this angel for 18 years, and it's been in every single Christmas video, decorating video I've ever done. And it's been the most asked for and sought after Christmas decorating item I've ever owned. However, the cost of acrylic skyrocketed very soon after I bought it, and they stopped making it. Now, you will find acrylic angels on certain websites, and sometimes you even find them in Home Goods and things like that, rarely. But they're expensive. The cost of making this one is a lot, or you would think it would be a lot. So here's the deal. No one is making one as big as this except the one that I have, which is why everyone has asked about it. And when I asked these guys, like, number one, can you find out where it's from? And there was no way to find that out, much less is anyone still manufacturing it, which we found out they weren't.
Right.
You actually found the original manufacturer, reached out to them, and I gave them all the specific measurements. And I'm telling you, this angel here is the first pallet that has arrived. And so for everyone that signed up early, they're getting their angels within the next week. But the rest of you, a whole container is coming, and they are available to you. What's most important to me is that the manufacturer, it took some, some love to get them to want to restart making her again. And they have promised that this will be exclusive only to Amber Marine Company. So if you want to get an angel this size, and let me tell you, at this configuration, she is at the widest point 18 inches wide. And at the height from the top of the trumpet to the ground, she is 28 inches tall. But let me show you, that's not her only configurability. You can also turn this around.
There's a little magnet in there.
Yeah, there's a magnet that holds those wings, and look at that. Yes, 34 inches tall, which is outrageous. You just can't find acrylic in large pieces like this.
And we've seen this angel every once in a while on the market, but her face will be frosted or the skirt's frosted.
And she's shorter.
But what's so great about having this in clear acrylic that you brought up, this is a really great point. If you wanted to, you could put some faux candles underneath her and have her glowing, or a light or anything like that. You could even put even like a nativity from the other side or something. So there's so many options with her. I love the wings up like this. This just looks like Gloria in excelsis Deo. Right there.
Well, be glad we didn't sing it.
Yeah, boy, that's the truth.
Rebecca, you can sing.
She can sing, I can't. If you have a room with a tall ceiling, putting her like this is perfect because she takes up a lot of room. The height, your eye is going up, and I think she's just gorgeous this way.
Well,
but
every year,
whatever you want.
She is the centerpiece of everything I do, whether it's on the coffee table, on a long credenza, up between the window treatments, and she's like,
okay.
I mean, she's like amazing. Or she sits on the floor next to the Christmas tree, or on my table next to a
gorgeous.
tree. She's been in alcoves and built-ins. She's been everywhere, but what I love about her is because she's completely clear, she goes with every single theme that you could possibly ever have.
This gal gets around in your house.
I do. She does. She gets, one year I actually asked the question, where do you think the angel is this year? So, I mean, I have animated animals, deer, and all kinds of really incredible things in my home, and yet every year she is the show.
That's the one everybody wants.
Well, she's announcing that it's Christmas for
She
sure.
is.
Exactly.
Yeah. So just in case, those of you who are watching our channel, let's just go into just really quick. Rebecca, tell us. Somebody, I don't know who it might be, but somebody may not know who you are and how long you've been doing this.
How is that possible?
I don't know, but it's possible.
What
so
rock have they
so
been
let's just talk real quick.
planet are
When
they
did
on?
you start doing the Christmas decorations?
Okay.
Tell us a little brief history about
I've been
you.
on YouTube since 2008. So it's what, 16 years, 17
When did
years?
YouTube actually start?
2006.
Oh my gosh.
Oh,
So
wow.
I
you
am
are
the
OG.
of YouTube, and it's always been on interior design. And a couple years in, I started making Christmas decorating videos, and people went insane. They loved my Christmas decorating videos.
Well, you're the queen of Christmas.
Well, I've become that. I've gotten that title.
Yeah.
And then, of course, collaborating with you guys has just made all the difference in the world because the stuff they bring in is absolutely spectacular.
Well, we love
Thank
Christmas.
you. We love Christmas.
We do too. So anyway, I have a channel on YouTube. It's my name, Rebecca Robeson, and I have 1.3 million subscribers.
So she's doing something right. So if you
Yeah.
haven't already headed over there, make sure you do. We'll provide the link over so that they
And you can
go
learn
in.
all about decorating, DIYs, hacks, how to do it inexpensively. I have multi-million, $20 million homes on there, and I have super inexpensive, cheap apartments. I have a bathroom remodel that costs $300.
Oh, wow.
I have other bathroom remodels that are $300,000. So there's kind of like something
It's a
for
full
everyone.
gamut, something
Yeah.
for everyone.
Yeah, and we have a lot of fun there. So I would love for you to come over and check out the channel. But remember, at Christmas time, and we start dropping our videos the very 1st of November. First two weeks of November, we're pretty much all about Christmas.
All in. Oh my
Yeah.
gosh. Well, we're really excited about this season. You've picked out some beautiful colors. We're not going to hint to what those colors are, but I'm going to tell you, Mom and I just went to High Point Market, and the colors that you chose, we're seeing in decor and furniture all throughout High Point. So she
And
knows
paint.
something.
We
colors.
got home and I said, you realize that the colors that Rebecca chose are exactly what we saw
Yeah.
in furniture.
So just know this lady knows a thing or two about trends in Christmas. So you're going to want to watch every single one of those videos because she's picked out some beautiful, new exciting
colors.
designs, some really fun colors for this year. And it is right on trend because we saw it everywhere at High Point Market.
Yeah, it's going to
Absolutely.
be majestic. That's all I can tell you.
It is. It's going to be so pretty. Don't miss it.
So head over to Rebecca's channel and leave a comment. Let us know if you are a follower or a fan of Rebecca. Don't forget, hit that subscribe button right here so that you can see all of the beautiful videos that we're going to do for Christmas. And you never know, there'll be some surprises. So hit that subscribe.
Do you think we should do like a giveaway, an angel giveaway?
Oh, we should do an angel giveaway.
Stay tuned. Good news coming your way.